Well, today we're going a little retro, and that's with the Divoom Ditoo Art Bluetooth speaker. Pretty cool little device. Let's get into it. Okay guys, welcome back to techgooch, and today I have a review, and I've had this actually for a little while now. So this is a little Bluetooth speaker that's got a pixelated display on it. It's got actually mechanical keys on it. It's got some games built in. It's got some capability. It's got an app that you can take your phone and actually create. Well, I got my little logo there on the display that I just basically scanned with the app, with my phone, with the camera, scanned it in, boom, it created it for me. And you can create anything you want. You can do it manually if you want as well. I gotta say that when now they sent this to me. They didn't pay me for this review or anything like that, but they did send me the product so I could take a peek at. And it's a Bluetooth speaker that's got advanced functions. The Bluetooth speaker capability of it is similar to that of like an Amazon Echo Dot. It plays music, and it works. I mean, it's great for like little background music, what I would call elevator music, right? Music to kind of fill the space, or music effects that like the games and the stuff like that built in. Doesn't have a whole lot of bass to it. It's an okay Bluetooth speaker. But a Bluetooth speaker that has a lot of really just cool look and feel, and it's just neat. I gotta give it that. Now, typically, I know for a while it was running $100. Right now, they actually have it on sale for $79 directly on the website, so even cheaper than you can get it, I think, on Amazon. Amazon, you can get it for about $89. So 79 versus 89. So I'm gonna put links to both the Amazon page, because you never know when you're actually watching this video where you can get the best price. Amazon, but also the direct link where you can purchase it directly on their website. So definitely check both before you would actually purchase. But this thing is really cool. And so I have it obviously just turned on with my logo on it right now. And I think it's easier if I bring the camera in so you can actually see. I'm going to do some stuff with the app first, and then I'll show you the device, and then I'll actually show you the app, and then we'll wrap things up. So right now, this is just displaying, like I said, stuff through the app itself. I can actually go and just put the time on there. I can actually go on to people's stuff that they have shared, that they have created, and put like stuff that other people have created on here as well. Spinning duck. I can do, oh, here's like this little Christmas thing. Little thing. Frog jumping up and down. I mean, people have created so many different things, and there's just no limit or no end to it. Here you have probably noticed that from Mario, right? So, and these are all just things that are on the store here, or not the store, but through the app that you can access. And there's just so many things that people have created that you can just throw on there, you know, kind of as a background thing or whichever. I can create my own. So if I go into the design studio here, I can actually start creating. So like here, I can choose the color red and make something there. There's orange, yellow, X, there you go. But I'm just trying to prove a point that I can create whatever I want on this device. And it's easiest to do through the app when you're trying to create something. There's limited things you can actually do on the device itself, by itself, with just the limited keys and stuff. It's a lot easier to just use the app and just, you know, color it in pixel by pixel. Works really, really good. Works really, really easy. Same thing goes, I'm going to exit out of that one. Go back into the design studio, and I'm going to actually use a photo that I took to scan in. And it's just a picture of a dog toy. And not that I'm trying to show you, I'll show you what it looks like. This is just my dog's donut toy, picture I took. And I'll just do that, and I'll hit the plus thing, and it'll scan it in, and now it's scanned in as an image for it to create a pixelation for. So you can see there's so many things you can do with this, with its pairing with its app as well. And I'll show you more of the app and how that actually works with the app here in a moment. But I just wanted to show you some things that you could show with it. So on the device itself, though, this is kind of neat. It's got game mode. So for instance, I'm going to go into game mode, and this little joystick here is kind of the enter. You can choose different games. So if I choose, this is the first game, this is Tetris, essentially, right? And so you use the mechanical keys, and they're actually mechanical keyboard keys. And you can play Tetris. You know, it's Oops, yeah, I'm kind of off to the side, so I'm not seeing this very good. But you can play Tetris with it. I mean, it's full-blown Tetris. Works really, really good. So, I mean, that's Tetris. Let's go back to games. Let's see, this one is a jackpot, or like a slot machine. Go back to games. Choose this guy. Let's see. Oh, dice. So we can actually roll dice. Go game, dice. This is the magic 8-ball, so you can ask it its question, and it'll say yes, no, thumbs up, whatever you have you, and you can do certain things. Maybe, you know, kind of the old magic 8-ball that you probably remember from a long time ago. Breakout, right? So this is actually breakout, so you're using the puck to break the stuff. You know, it's pretty simple, but it works. It's fun, you know, and they have the sound effects. Let's see, and then we got Flappy Bird. So this one uses the joystick to flap the bird. You know, I'm not going to play these non-stop. Let's see what other game is there. Flappy Bird. This one, oh, this is Centipede. Jeez, I'm not even paying attention far enough. I already ran into the wall. So I'll just show you real quick one more time. So you're going up to gobble up the... Oh, I just was short. Yeah, so Centipede. And there's a couple more in here. And I'll get out of the games here for now. There's the picture mode where you can kind of do some certain things with the picture and color it in or whatever. You know, kind of a neat mode there. Let's see here. This is, I think, some countdown setting, decibels. So like there's a decibel meter that'll tell you how loud it is wherever you are. So that's kind of cool. There's just so many things that they have in here. There's just a lot of fun little dude heads. Oh, this one's kind of cool too. Just a countdown timer. It's just a 1-minute countdown, and it's just got the hourglass that comes down. So you kind of get the gist, right? There's just a whole bunch of really just neat things, in addition to being able to play music through Bluetooth. And so I could actually play music from my phone directly on here, Bluetooth speaker. And I guess I could play probably one of the songs, the royalty-free songs I played with my last video. Hold on. So this is the song I did for my Apple HomePod Mini. Oh, there goes the timer. Timer's over with. That's funny. So you can see the timer actually still works. But you get the gist. I mean, it doesn't sound amazing, no. But it does, you know, it kind of, for background music, stuff like that, it works pretty good, to be honest about it. So, yeah. So, the app that you actually use to control and do things on this is called DivPix, which obviously I already have open. You have to create an account when you open this. It's really easy, just email, direct password, and stuff. But in here, you can do the design editor like I was doing before, where you know, they use the color. You can create whatever pixelized thing you want. And you can see, you can kind of see here, it immediately shows up on the device while you're doing it, which is just really fun. In here as well, if I hit the plus button, this is where I can take a photo, and like I said before, this is where I did the donut, right? Just choose the donut, and now it's actually showing the donut on the screen, so it pixelizes it. And of course you can adjust this, right? I can go in here and actually change something in here as well. So just to show what you can do there, and you can save those as well. I should say that there's a save button at the top. You hit save, and well, if there is anything, let's see here. Let's create this. Hit save, and then you name it here, and then you can actually share it when you publish it. Publish it so anybody can use it, like I was using the other people's stuff before. Return to edit. You can make animations, so this is where you can make those, like the people had the moving things. You can basically make your animations within here as well. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can see that you can do that. Text editor, if you want to enter text. And let's see here. And you can just have it cycle through, so if you want to see here, it's just cycling through it. Right? So that's a text thing. So if you're on your desk and you have this, you can have it say, on the phone, whatever. You could say you're busy, whatever. You could say a lot of things. It just opens up the possibility of what you can do with it. Pixel coloring, they have custom modes, task modes, they have music, DJ mixer, lots of stuff in here, right? Lots of really just neat things that you really can't do with any other Bluetooth speaker. That's for sure. And when you get to the creator gallery, stuff that other people have created, that's, oh, let's throw Santa up there. And it just throws it right up on this display, so you can change that, and you can just make your own. You can use other people's. You can share it between the communities and stuff. It's just really neat. Message, I haven't used that, but yeah, that's, there's a lot of really cool things you can do with this. It's just fun and neat, and it's, to be honest, for Christmas, it's a fantastic gift idea. So what it comes down to is, yeah, you have the nostalgia factor of this being like an old type, kind of desktop computer, the old IBM kind of desktop look setup. The actual physical keys, the actual mechanical keys on it, awesome touch. The display, really cool, old retro, 16 pixel or whatever. Yeah, I think it's 16 by 16 pixel display. Just really neat, right? And for what it is, also having the Bluetooth speaker capability, being able to play the games, being able to change the display to whatever I want to do, doing things on the device, but also remotely with the phone. Yeah, is this a really cool gift idea? This is an awesome gift idea for any gamers out there, any tech geeks or nerds or anything like that. Absolutely, 100% solid gift idea. So, especially when they have it, on, cheaper. Any that kind of sale is always good. So Bluetooth, I didn't mention this as well. On the side is USB-C for charging, but also there is a micro SD port on here as well, that you can actually put a micro SD card in here with like MP3 tracks and actually play audio directly off of it rather than using your phone. So yeah, kind of think background music, right? So, yeah, that is the Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. It's been a little fun. It's been a great little desktop ornament. It's well worth it in my opinion. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I'm sure you've seen videos out there of these already, but if you haven't, definitely check them out. Definitely worthwhile, in my opinion, of course. Right? So comment, subscribe below, share the video if you can for me, and give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, definitely make sure to check this guy out. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll catch you back here on techgooch for another future video review. We'll see you soon.